How to download Amazon product video. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open Amazon. You can either continue the steps in Amazon application in your mobile device or simply open up amazon.com in any browser. Once you open it up, log into your account. And once you're logged in now to download a video, first of all, select that video or select that product that you would like to download the video from. And you will find video right here. After that, you play that video. Now, to download this video, first of all, you have to add the video downloader extension to your Chrome. So, navigate to the top right corner. There is three dots icon. Click on that. Now, from this drop-down menu, click on Extension. Then, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Here, search for the extension that is Video Downloader Professional. Then, click on this Video Downloader Professional. Then, after that, you will get an option as Add to Chrome right here where I have removed from Chrome since I have already added this extension. So, simply click on Add to Chrome. And once the extension is added to your Chrome, now click on this icon that is extension from the top right corner again, and from there you have to pin this extension in your Chrome. After you pin that extension right here, now go back to Amazon. Again, refresh this page for once, then go to that video and then pause this video. Now click on this download icon from this extension right here. This extension will automatically detect your video, and there you have this video right here. So to download that, click on this download icon right here, and then you have to select the location, then simply click on save, and with that your video has been downloaded. So that's how you download the product video from Amazon. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.